Communication is the process of transmitting information from one person to another to create a shared understanding and feeling. The word communication actually comes from the Latin word communicare, meaning to share or make common. Communication does not mean agreeing, only that information is transmitted and received as it was intended. This figure illustrates the communication process. Encoding occurs when the message sender converts a thought, idea, or fact into a message comprised of symbols, pictures, or words. The message is the encoded information being sent. The channel is the medium used to send the message to the receiver, including voice, writing, graphs, videos, intranets, intranets, television, body language, and so on. When the message receiver sees, reads, or hears the message, it gets decoded. Decoding is the interpretation and translation of the message back into something understood by the receiver. The decoded information is hopefully the same as the information the sender intended to communicate, but that's not always the case. Feedback is a check on the success of the communication. The message receiver sends a new message back to the original sender, and the original sender assesses to see if the receiver understood the original message as intended. Repeating or paraphrasing the original message, asking for clarification, or asking if your conclusions are correct are forms of feedback. Noise is anything that blocks, distorts, or changes in any way the message the sender intended to communicate. In other words, in the communication process, the sender translates, encodes information into words, symbols, or pictures, and passes it to the receiver through some medium or channel. The sender then receives the message and retranslates, decodes it into a message that's hopefully the same as what the sender intended. Noise can enter anywhere in the process, making the message received different from the one the sender intended. Feedback creates two-way communication that helps to check on the success of the communication and ensure that the receiver's message was accurate.